kindergarten, it's me, Miss Belts. Today is Thursday, April 15th, 2021. Today we are going to sort different objects. How are we going to do it? Well, we're going to look at different objects in a group and we're going to sort out the coins. And why are we going to do this? Well, it's important to be able to identify coins. So let's get started. Our first vocabulary word is the word sort, and we've been doing a lot of sorting, so I know you already know what it means, but let's just review it. So sort means we're going to put things into groups that are alike. So I have a group of triangles over here and a group of quadrilaterals over here. The next word we have is money. Can you say that word with me? Money. And money is what we use to buy things. So sometimes you're going to have bills. So maybe a $1 bill, a $5 bill, a $10 bill, $20 bill, $100 bill. Or sometimes you're going to have coins. And we're going to talk about coins a lot. The next word we have is coins. So there are different kinds of coins, and it's a type of money, but it is not paper, it is a type of metal. So a coin is the metal ones that we put in our hand. So let's look at all of these pictures. So all of these pictures, there's different things. So I want you to turn and talk to somebody. What are different things that you see in this group of things? So turn and talk. What do you see in here? All right, come back to me in 3, 2, 1, 0. Eyes and ears on me. Thank you very much. All right, somebody tell me, what's something that you see? Ooh, I see some people also. So there's a person, there's a person, there's a person. What else do you see? I agree. I see some circles. There's a circle, there's a circle, there's a circle, there's a circle. What else do you see? I see some buttons also. There's a button and there's a button. So today we're going to look at all of these objects and we're going to figure out how to put them into groups. And I want to put them into 3 different groups. Do you think you can help me? All right. Well, let's look at them. Let's sort them out. So the first one we have is this. It is the first shape we have, so you know what? I'm going to put it right here in group number 1. The next one we have is this. Does this and this, do they look the same? Well, that's true. They both are a circle. But other than that, are they the same? No, they're not the same. So I'm going to make it go into its own group over here. The next one we have is this one. Does it look like one of the ones we've already used? Does it look similar? I think so too. I think it could go with group number 1. What about this one? Does it look like anything we've seen so far? No, it doesn't. So I'm going to make it come into its own group over here at group 3. The next one, what about this one? Does it look like anything we've had so far? Well, it's going to have to look like one of them because we're out of groups. So do you think it's going to go in group 1, group 2, or group 3? Let's see if you're right. Did you say group 3? Here's our next one. All right, let's look at this one. Where is it going to go? Is it going to go in group 1, group 2, or group 3? Just show me your fingers. Group 1, group 2, or group 3. Ooh, I saw a lot of people with group 2. Nice job. All right, what about this one? Where's it going to go? Group 1, group 2, or group 3? 1, 2, or 3? Did you say group 1? I hope so. All right, what about this one? This one's a little bit different. Where's it going to go? Is it going to go with group 1, group 2, or group 3? Oh, that one was a little tricky. I saw some people with other fingers. Some people said 1, some people said 2. I didn't see a lot of 3s, but I could see how you could say maybe it would be group 1 because it kind of is a circle, but I think it looks more like this one. So it was group number 2. All right, let's see what our next one's going to be. What about this? Where's it going to go? Group 1, 2, or 3? Did you say group 3? You're so smart. I'm so proud of you. All right, what about this one? Where's it going to go? 1, 2, or 3? Group 3. What about this one? Group 1, 2, or 3? Yeah, I'm going to put it in group 1 because I see all these holes in it, and these don't have any holes. All right, let's see. Where's this one going to go? 1, 2, or 3? That's right, it's going to go in group 3. What about this one? Where do you think it's going to go? Group 1, group 2, or group 3? Hopefully you said group number 2. All right, what about this one? Where do you think it's going to go? Group 1, group 2, or group 3? You guys are getting pretty good at this. I'm seeing a lot of 2s going up in the air. All right, what about this one? It has holes. Which one is the one that has holes? Group 1, group 2, or group 3? Wow, you're so smart. All right, what about this one? Where's it going to go? Group 1, group 2, group 3? Hopefully you said group 3. All right, what about this one? Group 1, group 2, group 3? That's right, it's going in group 3 also. What about this one? Where's it going to go? Group 1, group 2, or group 3? Group 1? No! Where's it going to go? Oh, it's going to go in group 2. Thanks for catching my mistake. All right, this one has holes. Where's it going to go if it has holes? Is it going to go in group 1, group 2, or group 3? It's going to group 1. What about this one? It has holes also. Where's it going to go? 1, 2, or 3? That's right. It's going over to group number 1. What about this one? Where's it going to go? 1, 2, or 3? Hopefully you said 2. What about this one? Where's it going to go? 1, 2, or 3? I see a face. Which one has all the faces on it? 1, 2, or 3? That's right, group 2. All right. What about this one? It has holes, but there's stuff that's inside the holes. So is it going to go somewhere else, or is it going to go with group 1? What do you think? Yeah, it's moving over to group 1. And last but certainly not least, where is this one going to go? Group 1, group 2, or group 3? That's right, it's coming over here to group 3. So let's look at these. What do we notice? So these all have holes. They're all different colors, and that's okay. These are different colors, and some of them have faces, and some of them just have pictures. So this one has a building, this one has a building, this one has an eagle, this one has a torch and some plants, and these are all just solid colors. So instead of calling it group 1, group 2, and group 3, what could I actually call them? What are these actually called? That's right, these are buttons. So we might see buttons on our shirts or our pants, sometimes on our shoes, sometimes on a bag. Buttons are very helpful. They keep things together. What are all of these called? Oh, I heard some people say that's a penny. Well, you know what? You're right. But what are all of these called? These are not all pennies. These are all coins. Nice job. And what about this one? What are these? What shape is this? We've been talking about shapes for a long time now. What shape is this? That's right. They're all circles. Some of them might be a little more oval, but they're circles. So let's review what we talked about today. Today we sorted different objects. What were the 3 things we sorted? We sorted buttons, we sorted coins, and we sorted circles. We looked at the different objects in the group and we sorted out the coins, so we were able to find all of the coins, which was really helpful. And it's important for us to be able to identify coins. Now it's going to be your turn. If you are at school or if you're at home and you have this paper, you are going to cut, sort, and glue all the coins and not coins. So if it's a coin, it's going to come over here, and if it's not a coin, it's going to go over here. If you're at home and you do not have this paper, you are just going to click on this and you're going to drag it to wherever it needs to go. Make sure that you take a picture and send it to Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.